I decided to do a little unboxing on my online purchase, and it came in this box, which is so adorable. Isn't this cute? Daniel brought this inside, and he cleaned it with Lysol wipes. And he took pictures of the box. I also took pictures of the box because it's just so cute with the dog on it. I think it's adorable. So that's what it looks like. I ordered some items. Some of them I've used before and others I have not yet. So the first thing is, I'm going to show you, is a lot of these are like new and improved packaging. So I ordered some hair dye, which is a different type of box. They updated this. It's from, I can't pronounce it that well, I don't think, but it's Schwarzkopf. I don't know how you say that. But it's their 1.0 jet black hair dye. The 1.0 used to be onyx black, but it's jet black. Either way, it's black. My hair. It's keratin color, intense keratin color with K-bond flex. And it's permanent hair dye, color and moisture for all hair textures, deep nourishing effect, moisturizing conditioner, vibrant color results, hair damage protection. So this is what I've been using. Don't know when I'm going to do it, but I'll probably be doing it sometime this week. So that's what this is. And then I ordered, and this is also different packaging, I ordered a pack of razors. This is from Skintimate. It used to be the Chic Quattro U. Then they changed it to Skintimate Sensitive Skin with a touch of aloe. And there's 4 disposable razors in here. I have sensitive skin, and I found these don't irritate me as much. That's why I've been using these. Then I got a box of tissues because tissues at the time I ordered this were hard to come by. They still are, and there was only a limit. You could only buy 1 box. So this is what I picked. I got the Target brand Up and Up facial tissues, which compare to Kleenex brand tissues. There's 144 2-ply tissues in this box. So I figured I'll get this. So this is what I got. Tissues are so essential now, especially with my allergies and stuff. And then I'm like, I need a new foundation. Oh no, this has sunscreen in it. What am I going to do? I bought a foundation. I cannot use this. It's from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me New Look Dewy and Smooth with SPF 18 in it for normal to dry skin. 105 Fair Ivory, but I cannot use it because it has SPF in it. So I may have to give it to Kaylee. I don't know, or give it away. But this I cannot use. But I do need a new foundation, but I cannot use this, unfortunately. Then I got 2 of the same. I don't normally use sponges, or it's been a while since I used sponges on my face. Like when I use makeup brushes, especially for my foundation and concealer, I see the bristle marks on my face, and I don't like that. So I figured I'll get blenders for applying my foundation and concealer. That way I can easily blend it in, and it's smooth, and you don't see those brush marks. So I decided to get 2 packs of these. It's the Sonia Kajuk Mini Makeup Blender Trio. They're latex free. I think I'm allergic to latex, so I look for things that are latex free. You get 3 mini blenders in here, and I got 2 boxes. There was also a minimum you had to hit with shipping, so that's another reason why I I had to get 2 of something, and I figured these would be better for me. I'm glad I didn't get 2 of the foundation because I can't even use one of them. I don't know how I didn't realize that. I guess because it's really small on the bottle, but I can't use it. I can't wait to try them. They kind of look like penguins, except for the one in the middle. The ones that are like black and white are cute. See? Shh. I'm trying to make a video. Well, that's everything in this order. Thanks for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Lulu Live. And I will see you all soon. Bye.